In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Phantom Wallet account, whether you're looking to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies or just want to safely store your digital assets. The Phantom Wallet is a user-friendly and secure choice. Getting started is simple, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity and precision. First, let's head over to the website. Open your browser and type https://phantom.app into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find an option to download the Phantom extension. Go ahead and click on that download button. After that, you'll need to choose your preferred browser. Phantom works seamlessly with popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Brave. Choose the one you use most frequently and add the extension to your browser. This will install Phantom and have you ready to explore its features. Now that you have the extension in place, it's time to create your wallet. Open the Phantom extension or app. Depending on your device, you'll notice a clear option labeled Create New Wallet. Click on it to begin the setup process. At this point, it's crucial to choose a strong password. This password is your key to accessing your wallet on your device. So make it something secure yet memorable. After you've set your password, click Next to proceed. One of the most important elements of your Phantom wallet is the secret recovery phrase. After you've set up your password, Phantom will present you with a 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is your lifeline. It's vital to write this down offline. Avoid storing it digitally, and under no circumstances should you share it with anyone. This step is about safeguarding your assets, so take extra care. You'll be asked to confirm the phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. This is just to ensure that you've recorded the sequence accurately. Once you've confirmed your phrase, go ahead and click Continue, and there you have it. You've successfully created your Phantom Wallet account. Remember, your wallet is now ready to use, and you've taken the first step towards managing your digital assets with confidence. Phantom offers a range of features to explore, from storing cryptocurrencies to interacting with decentralized apps. Feel free to dive in and familiarize yourself with all the tools at your disposal. In summary, creating a Phantom wallet is quite straightforward, provided you follow these steps carefully. Your wallet is now ready to help you engage with the digital currency realm safely and securely. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring!